Hello everyone, welcome to BrimiTech. In this video training, I'll just install WordPress CMS locally on my Windows 10 machine using Xampp server. Okay, and if you don't have Xampp server installed on your Windows machine, please follow this video tutorial. I have provided the link, and in this video, I just wanted to keep it short, so I have already installed Xampp server. Here it is. And I will just directly install WordPress CMS to make the video short and save your time. So let's get started. I have installed Xampp server in the C drive of my PC, and as you know, there is a folder called htdocs. Here it is. I'm just going to show you again htdocs, and if I want to install WordPress, I will have to create a project here, or just like a folder or directory. Okay, just like BrimiTech dashboard blah blah. Okay, and before I start, please download WordPress CMS from this link wordpress.org, and there will be a button get WordPress, and here you will find this download button. At the moment I'm recording this video, it is 4.9.8. just hit this blue button, download, and it will start downloading. Okay, cancel, and I have already downloaded it, and I just bring that file in this htdocs folder. Okay, because if I want to create any website or create any project using Xampp server, then I will have to put the files in the htdocs folder. Okay, I'm just going to unzip this WordPress CMS. What I did, just I unzipped or extract this WordPress zip file, and it created a folder called WordPress, and I'm just going into this folder. Okay, as you can see, all the WordPress CMS file goes here. I'm just going to start installing it. If you want, you can just rename this folder name whatever you want, but I just kept it the default WordPress. Okay, just and I'm just going to open up my favorite browser, Google Chrome. To install WordPress CMS, I'll have to type localhost. Localhost is default for every project, and slash the folder name. The folder name is WordPress. Okay, localhost is default and WordPress is the name of the project folder, WordPress. Okay, and now I'm just going to hit enter. The system will bring you to this installation window. Okay, and now I'm just going to choose the language. I'll just keep the language English and just hit continue. And before I install, WordPress says that you should have a database name, database username, password, host name, etc. If you are a beginner web developer, or you just want to become a developer, probably you have heard that it needs a database, and Xampp already installed Mysql database for us. Okay, we need to access Mysql database using PHP Myadmin. So we are just going to type localhost / PHP Myadmin. Okay, hit enter, and here it is. We just get the interface of PHP Myadmin to create a new database. Okay, just hit new. I'm just going to put the database name is WPDB, whatever, is not mandatory. I'm just copy this name and hit create to create the database. Okay, as you can see, the database has been created. So we have got the database name, and username is root. By default in the local machine, the database username is root, and password just nothing, empty, and table prefix we will select it. Okay, just hit this let's go, and database name WPDB, here it is. Okay, and username is root, password empty, and table prefix keep it just default, and hit this submit button. Okay, everything is right, and hit this run installation. Now the site title of my blog, and username I'm just going to use admin, and password I'll just use admin2. Okay, I'm just going to confirm use the weak password as I just used this in the local machine, and email admin. Okay, it is the final part, and I'm just going to finally hit this install WordPress button, okay, to start the installation process. Okay, thus I'm going to hit this button. Success, we have completed the installation process. Now we can log into the dashboard. Okay, just hit this login, and our username is admin, and our password is also admin, and remember me, login. Great, this is the WordPress CMS dashboard interface. If I want to see the website, just hover over this and visit site, open in a new tab, and you can see this brand new fresh installation of WordPress CMS using the Xampp server. Okay friends, I hope you could install WordPress CMS using Xampp server, and if you couldn't do this, you can let me know through the video comment box. And if you don't have this Xampp server installed already, you can just follow this video training. Okay, I'll just provide all the necessary links, and now you can install theme, plugin, etc., create page, post using this WordPress. If you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know through the comment box so that I can create a series of videos on WordPress CMS. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.